Less than EP data end equals 537 data start equals 94 greater than Sepp Blatter and Michel Platini are back in the courtroom once again, facing a second trial over a controversial £1.6 million payment that continues to cast a long shadow over world football. The former FIFA president and ex-UEFA boss were initially acquitted of fraud charges in 2022, but Swiss federal prosecutors have now appealed that decision, bringing them back before the Extraordinary Appeals Chamber of Switzerland's Criminal Court. Less than P data end equals 900 data start equals 539 greater than. This legal battle stems from a 2011 payment of 2 million Swiss francs to Platini for advisory work he allegedly carried out a decade earlier. Prosecutors argue that the money was unjustified and fraudulently claimed. Blatter and Platini, however, have maintained their innocence, insisting that the payment was based on a gentleman's agreement between them. Less than P data end equals 1304 data start equals 902 greater than. As they arrived at the Swiss court on Monday, Blatter, now 88, remained defiant, calling the appeal absolute nonsense and a continuation of what he sees as a witch hunt against him. He firmly believes that the court will uphold the previous ruling. Platini, on the other hand, has been more vocal about his frustration with the case, vowing to continue his fight against what he calls an injustice. Less than P data end equals 166. 1 data start equals 1,306 greater than the original trial, which took 7 years of investigation, concluded in 2022, with both men being acquitted due to lack of sufficient evidence proving fraud. The judge at the time found their explanation credible and cast doubt on the prosecution's claims. However, Swiss authorities were not satisfied with that verdict, leading to the current appeal. Less than P data end equals 2094. Data start equals 1,663 greater than. This case has not only ended the careers of two of football's most powerful figures, but also disrupted the leadership of the sport at the highest level. Platini was widely expected to succeed Blatter as FIFA president before the scandal derailed his ambitions. Both were suspended from football in 2015 following FIFA's Ethics Committee investigation, and though their bans have since expired, their reputations remain tarnished. Less than EP data end equals 247, 1 data is last node equals data is only node equals data start equals 2096 greater than. With this new trial set to last 4 days, the football world will once again be watching closely. If found guilty, Blatter and Platini could face further legal consequences, possibly marking a dramatic final chapter in their long and controversial football administration careers. For now, the fight continues, and both men remain adamant that justice will be on their side. Stay subscribed for more videos.